The next one is cell irritability. We want to know the different ways cell responds to stimulus. We have tactism, which means the movement of the whole cell from one position to another in response to a particular stimulus. We have nastism. There is a movement of part of the plant, unidirectional movement of part of plant in response to stimulus. And tropism is a directional growth movement in response to unilateral stimulus. All these have been discussed previously. You can acquaint yourself with them. Let us see questions that are relevant to this topic. The first question here is the movement of euglena from dark to light area of a pond is known as what? A. Tropism. B. Phototactic movement. C. Tactism. D. Photonastic movement. Now, we are talking about euglena, one cell organism that is moving completely from dark area of a pond to light area of the pond. That is locomotion. The cell moves completely. So the answer to that question is phototactic movement. So answer is B. Number 2, the growth movement of a tip of plant shoots away from touch is regarded as this movement. The stimulus is touch. And which part of the plant is moving? Tip of the plant. Now, you know that at the tip of the plant, growth is taking place there. And the response is to touch and involve movement away from the touch. Now, the options: A, negative haptotropism; B, negative chemotropism; C, positive thigmotropism; and D, negative tactism. Now, number C and number A, we are talking about touch or pressure. Haptotropism is same thing as thigmotropism. Now, negative, this is talking of chemical growth movement due to chemical stimulus. We are not talking about chemical here, we are talking about touch. Then tactism is movement of the whole body. Here is a tip of the plant that moves. So which one is the answer now? The answer is between A and C. Because this is touch response. But we have to take note of the tip of the plant shoot growing away from the touch. So it's negative because it doesn't like the touch. That's why it's growing away. So it's negative haptotropism. Answer is A. Which of these chemical substances influences tropism? To be able to answer this question, you have to go and read the responses in plants, especially the tropism. And you have to study the relationship of hormones to growth of a plant. So that is where you can get this answer. So again, which of these chemical substances influences tropism? We have A, cytokinins. This is an hormone, a plant hormone that influences cell division. B, abscisic acid. This is a plant hormone that influences abscission, and abscission leads to falling off of fruits, leaves, flowers, and so on. Then ghrelin is an hormone that influences elongation of cells. Then number D, indoacetic acid. That is the one they normally short into IAA, which is an auxin. So auxin is plant hormone responsible for growth. Therefore, answer to this question is D.